Want to replace the hinges on your fridge? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What you need: a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and new hinges. Step 1. Remove the old hinges. Remove the top of the fridge by unscrewing the screws. Loosen the top hinge and lift the door and set it aside. Now loosen the lower hinge and remove it. If the hinges are attached to the door, unscrew both of them from the fridge and remove them from the door. Step 2. Fit the new hinges. Attach the bottom hinge to the fridge first. Place the door back on the fridge and then fit the upper hinge. Attach the top back on and tighten the screws firmly. If the hinges are attached to the door, mount them to the door first and then replace it as a whole. You have replaced the hinges and the fridge is ready to use again.